Hello, everyone. Chelsea here, or as you all know her, Mrs. G with Raíces Growth Ed, here for a new tip, but this time for the parents. So let's take a look at Lead Forward. Now, Lead Forward is a website that a lot of educators use to find tools and resources and to look at the skills that we need to teach the students to be successful. So let's take a look. Right now, this is the skills that the teacher would look at, and it explains what they need to do, how they need to do it, and by what genre. Now, you can also find vocabulary and different things, but what I want to show you all are the questions. So on Lead Forward, they have how each skill is asked in previous exams. Now, my suggestion to you all, the parents, the families, is when selecting the skill and the test, please make sure to unselect 2025 and 2024. Those, the schools, the districts use to help teach the students, if you will. So please uncheck those. Now, once you've selected, this is where it will take you to. It will show you the genre. It will show you how many times it's been asked, what the name of the passage is, and so forth. And you'll even be able to read the passage, look the question, see how many students have missed it, what was the popular answer for that question if they did miss it, or if they got it right. I use this as help, for years past, to quiz the kids, to give them extra help to discuss, okay? But the reason why I'm showing you this is for a video that's coming up right now, okay? So this is my tool, and this is how you can use it. So keep watch. About shy? How do you know she's shy?
Because her got the pink thing or the red thing or something.
Where?
And her cheeks.
On her cheeks? That if she has red or pink on her cheeks, that means she's shy? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So the skill she was using there is called inferencing. And if you follow along with the captions, it will help you discuss and use these exercises with your children. So let's take a look at one more video. What did you just say?
I just say because the boy, but Isagi's sister.
Usagi's sister?
Yeah. No, Isagi's brother.
Oh yeah, Usagi's brother, but what about the girl?
Her,
She's a what?
I don't know.
But you said she's a what? That you think she's a what?
A demon.
Or a
monster.
Why?
Because the math make her a demon or monster.
Oh, that's what he was doing? So now she's a demon or monster?
Or in the eyes.
Yeah. And is that why she got mad at the boy?
Yeah.
Oh, so she's not really mad at the boy.
He's still mad.
She's mad?
No. Because he said that word because her a demon.
Because she's a demon, she's not mad.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Mamas, you're so smart. And yes, always tell them they're smart. They love to listen to that. So, I hope this helped a lot. I'm hoping to make many more. So, please subscribe. Love y'all.